Oh my god!
From 10 a.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Blizzard warning. Total snow accumulations between 16 and 20 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Total snow accumulations. Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset counties.
2.
From 10 a.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. Where
Hi.
travel could be very difficult to impossible. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility.
No. That did not activate.
Gusty winds can bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
What?
Calling 511. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 13 and 18 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45